Welcome to Lesson 9. Let's get started. We have successfully built a gold strategy and implemented it onto a live account. But we need to continue to build our portfolio across many sectors with many strategies. So let's continue to build together. To do that, we're going to scroll down to the bottom of the page on the website and type in our email. Then click on Build. It will bring you to a page which will have a link to the Continue to Build page and my email address if you want to shoot me some feedback or some questions. If you enjoyed this series, you can donate by clicking number 10 and buying me a coffee. I appreciate it very much and it motivates me to continue to add to the website. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next lessons on the Continue to Build series.